What is up, YouTube? It's the Shoe Bully. Today we are gonna find out what is in all of these boxes right here. I've had so many shoes coming in that I can't keep up with them. So we're gonna see what's in here. Without further ado, get into the first one. Looks like we got a pair of ones. A pair of Saint Germain joints. Really nice shoe. I'll have a review coming up on these. Stay tuned. On to the next one. Drum roll, please. Looks like we got a pair of fours here. Woo! Man! These are beautiful. Can't wait to do a review on these. Stay tuned. I got these in. I've been waiting for these. Oh, man. Oh, God. Woo! Alright, we got more shoes to go. We got more shoes. Oh, man. These are amazing. Now, this box, the tamper-evident tape was already busted into, so hopefully my shoes are still okay. Looking good so far. Got another pair of ones. More of the PSGs. Woo! On to the next one, baby. Ooh, we got the Nike Air Force Bolts. Got these in for a buddy of mine. Boom! I have a review coming on these as well. Stay tuned. So many boxes, baby. So many boxes. This is one of the Dragon Ball Z's. It's either the Gohan or the Cell. We're about to find out together. Boom. It's the Gohan, baby. These are awesome. Can't wait to have a review on these. Stay tuned. Do not sleep, because we got more heat. The box on these is dope. I think this is the Just Dons. Man, this was a personal cop for me. Got a review coming on these as well. Oh my God. Ghost green. Oh. We got another one. It's a Dragon Ball Z joint. Man, they really killed it out on these. The cells. Beautiful. Review coming on both of those. We got two more left. Man, it's never ending. UPS man probably tired of coming to my house. Looks like we got another pair of the Singles Day 4s. Really awesome shoe. One more. We got one more pair. What is it? The beef and broccoli joints. Man, these are heaters. That's all we got today, y'all. Hope you enjoyed this video. I want you to stay tuned because I'm going to be reviewing each and every one of these shoes coming up. So don't sleep. Because like I said, we got more heat. You know what I'm saying? Shoe Bully signing out.